Yeah, well, I've had people saying, what is this with the bond market? What's with the bonds? I don't understand bonds. Look, I will try to give you an incredibly simplified, incredibly simplistic version of, well, the bond market. The stock market is viewed as an extremely volatile and unpredictable investment vehicle. And the stocks go up, stocks go down. They're influenced by politics, by the internal workings of the corporations, by public trends. It's really, really live. Bonds, however, are something entirely different. Issued by governments and municipalities, bonds are taken to be more stable. As a result, they have very low rates of interest, that is to say, yields, but you get that money over a year, 5 years, whatever the length of the bond is, reliably. So that is why people invest in bonds, to get a reliable return on their investments. And the higher the yield, the less reliable the bond, because you are taking a greater risk. So what's happened? Because of Donald Trump, the stock market is all over the map. It's up, it's down, it's up, it's down. Mostly it's down, but it's incredibly unpredictable because of the tariffs. So people are shifting to bonds. But in terms of U.S. bonds, the American bonds are no longer viewed as a particularly reliable source of income and investment. So the yields are quite high, which means we are having to pay more and more interest to get people to buy our bonds because we are not reliable as a business partner, as a political partner, as a military partner. And that lack of reliability is entirely due to Donald Trump. So when the markets for the bonds go through the roof, as they've done, it's because people are dumping American bonds, American debt, because they view us as unreliable trading partners, which means our ability to borrow money for investment, for business, for government actions, for, well, whatever we want, is lessened hideously. And the ability of other governments to take that money, which would normally go to us as a reliable partner, and use it for their purposes, is increased. Donald Trump has basically sabotaged America on an international scale. If you think this is a good thing, you're out of your mind. Grindlebone, out.